It's stopped raining. It's not supposed to rain anymore. I looked at the radar. It looks like it's all gone. So we're going to see. It's about 5:30 now, quarter of 6. 6. Oh, great. It's after 6. See how fast I can mix and process and pour 6 bags of Crete. I just got the forms up. Those are pieces I cut from blinds, from 7-foot tall blinds. I cut them down to 3 inches to make my form. Held it in with some popsicle sticks, and that will provide as much form as I need for the concrete. So time to mix and pour. Well, just starting to mix up my 3rd bag, making good progress as far as how far each bag is going. I don't know how far I'm going to last, but the concrete looks like it's going to make it. Also got to add a lot more water than they say. They say add 2.5 quarts. That's total bullshit. 3 quarts minimum. I'm up to a gallon on this one because it's still too damn dry. But anyway, there you go. Get a little action in here. I dump all the concrete in one end of the bucket and then drag it into the water. Yeah, it looks like 1 gallon is the way to go. Beautiful. Get some kind of bird battle going on. I think we're gonna make it. Okay, so that's that. 3 more bags to go. Might make it in 2. Okay, 5 bags did it. 7:45, and I'm done. I made it. We've got the concrete poured, and no rain due overnight, so it should be okay here. And we come and butt right into here. So there's going to be our garden path. Now y'all remember Lucinda posted the other day she wants to dig in the dirt, so there's plenty of dirt for her to dig in there. I didn't get to that, but there you go. 5 bags of concrete. I'm going to go fall down in bed and die. Well, what I actually did was jump in the pool. Happy day to you.